Scraps, what are we gonna do? Pebble has one heart left and Cosmo is dead. Tisha. Let's sneak into Danny's secret drug stash and do 50 lines of cocaine.
Yeah.
What the hell are you guys doing?
Get in the lift.
Why are you guys in my drug stash? And look at what you did to Astro. Wait. Fuck. Aww. How are we gonna do 50 lines of cocaine now? Don't worry, I got a drug dealer. Who the fuck is this? We need drugs. Cocaine. Now. Oh, hell yeah. Meet me in the alleyway. You got the stuff? Yeah. Wait, this isn't enough to do 50 lines. Yeah, it is. Sarcasm because yeah, bitch. I swear to fuck. Don't fuck with me, Razzle. Police car. No, I guess. Did you legit call the police on us? Maybe. Drop your weapon! Damn it! This was a setup. Let go of me! You're going away for a long time. You're gonna regret. Save it for the judge. Also, meanwhile, don't mind my cringe choking. Hey there, Astro.
I was thinking you could do it.